Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Apps Every Day, and today we're talking about the awesome new Translate app that actually comes pre-installed with iOS 14. So later on this year when the new iPhones come out and iOS 14 is released to the public outside of betas, then you will have this on your phone, and that's pretty cool. So let's check it out. Now obviously there are a million Translate apps out there, and the one that I've always used was Google Translate, which arguably is still more feature packed than this. But if you're looking for a very simple, useful, and reliable conversational translator app, then if you're an iPhone user, this one may make sense. Here you can do things like text it out, hey, how are you? And obviously it's going to auto-translate into the language. You can see here at the top, English is on the left, and then on the right I have Spanish. These are all the current available languages that you can do. More will be added down the road. Now, available offline languages, this is really useful, especially if you're traveling. You may even forget that you have to buy data packages or else your phone's not going to work outside of Wi-Fi. And so before you travel or anything like that, I highly recommend making available offline languages. You can see the check mark means that I've downloaded everything. Usually language packs only take up like megabytes worth of data. So with the storage on current phones, that shouldn't really be a problem. I just recommend downloading them all because you never know what you're going to need, but at least download the important ones. And then at the bottom, you see automatic detection. This means that if I go back to this page, I don't have to auto select which language I'm actually speaking. So all I have to do is tap on the bottom microphone and it's going to auto detect which language I'm speaking and translate it to the opposite one. Hey, how are you doing today? And so it understood that obviously I spoke English and gave me the Spanish. Now if I do the opposite, no habla español.
He doesn't speak Spanish.
Nope, I don't. Let's try another one. Let's go into French. Bonjour, ça va?
Hello, how are you?
Haha, still know my French. Je m'appelle Michael. You didn't get the most basic one. Je m'appelle Michel.
My name is Michelle.
All right, just had to throw a little bit more fake French accent in there. Now the nice thing is, in addition to just that, you do have a couple more features. One is this little star in the bottom left-hand corner. You can actually star that and it will save it to your favorites. And that way, if it's something that you're constantly having to re-say, or let's say you're at home, you're prepping to go on a trip and you know there's a handful of like places you need to get to, or people, or just certain phrases and questions that you don't want to forget and have to remember to say, you can save it into your favorites. That way it auto translates it and you can just immediately go up to like a person and show them that. You notice below that it also shows all of your recents. So even if you forget to save something, but you know you've said it recently, then you can actually see it there. And the last little feature in here doesn't seem to be available, at least yet, to all the languages. So right now next to that star you don't see anything. But if I go back to Spanish, we can see a little book icon. This is essentially the dictionary. So now I can tap on the dictionary and it's going to highlight the first word, and I can see the dictionary definition of that. I can tap on any of these and it's going to give me the definition of what the heck that means. So there you have it, guys. That is the super simple and hopefully a little bit more tweaks and stuff in the actual languages. That's the Translate app in iOS 14. See you guys tomorrow for another Apps Every Day.